how to make masala ghee. So I have 250 grams of butter, which I'm bringing to boil. So it started to boil, and we're going to keep it at a medium flame, and I'm going to add 2 green cardamoms, 1 clove, 2 peppercorns and a piece of cinnamon stick. Instead of making just plain ghee, we're going to make a masala ghee. It's been 5 minutes now that it's bubbling. It's been 10 minutes now and we're almost there. So what I'm going to do is also add some turmeric powder, which will give it a nice yellow color, and turmeric is good for health. If you want to keep it plain, then it's somewhat like this, but here we're going to have a lovely golden color. And now I'm going to turn off the stove, otherwise it might just bubble over. You must add the turmeric only towards the end when it's done. Since I'm cooking on an induction stove, it was pretty quick and it took about just about 12 minutes or so. So we let it cool now and then strain it. Once it's cooled, all you have to do is strain it and put it in a little jar. What I did before that was I took out the cardamom and the clove and I put it in the jar. That way it will keep flavoring the ghee. So now you can use this ghee for your toast, for your desserts. I forgot to mention that I used unsalted butter. So this is your masala ghee or ghee with chai masala. Bon appetit!